lions for gutters. Sometimes the ladies might want to relax and play some pool. It's the dynamic duo, L Train and A Rafe in the house. That's our new intro from now on. Anytime it's us. Should we do that? Mm-hmm. No, we're not gonna do that. That's too much, man. You gotta reel me back in. That's your job. Reel me in. When I go too far, you're like, no, Dad, let's reel it back. Okay, thank you. We are bringing you live action, a tour from the inside of the RV, but we want to show you this amazing house that we saw in Rhode Island. Take a look. Okay, coming up to the breakers. I already knew this place was going to be crazy with the front gate and the front entrance being huge. They had lions for gutters, like lions spit water out of their mouths.
The doors were gigantic. The front door.
Look at the size of this door.
Two front doors?
Two front doors. No, that's the screen door. I can't even imagine this is somebody's house. Yeah, the design is like next level. They got chandeliers, they got little, you know, I don't even know what you call all of those things. Fireplace, curtains, paintings, murals, dolphins, little figures, dragons, acorns. That's not your typical dining room. Right next to the dining room was the billiard room. And one thing that is not cool is that women weren't allowed in the billiard room. It was like men only. Sometimes the ladies might want to relax and play some pool. Yeah? What do you think? That room was really cool because they had little tiny tiles that made up all of the murals, and they were little tiny designs. Next, I'd like to take you into the library, where there are lots of leather-bound books.
Fireplace.
A fireplace.
Lots of furniture.
If you like to read and sit, then that's the room for you, for sure. Seems kind of small.
Yeah, a little bit.
When we were there, we toured the bedrooms, the kitchen. I thought it was cool. They had a little, did you notice the little, the call for help?
Yeah, that was like an intercom or something.
Yeah, it's like an old school intercom right next to the beds. If you needed someone, you press the button and it bzzz, goes all the way down to the kitchen. These guys were living large in this place. I mean, larger than anyone needs to live. But it was the Vanderbilts, and this is how they wanted it, so I'm not going to judge, but they definitely had some next level living quarters here. This house is massive. And here's the yard. After touring the house, we made our way into the backyard, which was probably the best backyard I've ever seen. In terms of backyards, it didn't have a playground, it didn't have a pool, so that's 2 strikes against it. But the view was incredible. You're looking out at the ocean. Who's in the race?
Me.
Just the boys?
Did Austin go? No, not like that. You like that?
Austin's about halfway, and they're already on their way back. He's decided to turn around. Oh, and a crazy turn of events, Lawson's in second place. Oh, so he starts to make jokes. Make up for the fact that he cheated. Good work, Landon. It's neck and neck. Oh, Lawson takes the fall. Good one. Now imagine this is your backyard. This is your view. And this is your house, and you're throwing yard parties right here. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're in Rhode Island, go tour the breakers. Probably without COVID, you can do a much more thorough investigation of the house. And there's other properties that you can see in that area. We only went there because of cost. It was a little pricey to see, and also just time. So highly recommend. Good piece of history for homeschooling on the road. That kind of crossed off some history for the day. But thanks for watching, guys. That was our tour of the breakers, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first so you never miss one of our videos.